Too fast. Road Safety Council furious. 8-year-old among 4 people killed in motor vehicle crash. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. And a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chizob. Also this evening, security forces swarm Spanish Town as reputed gang leader Tickman is laid to rest. And another fire at Pernell Charles Arcade. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.